Right here we have the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker. This is a 5.5 cup rice cooker. Very high-tech rice cooker that makes perfect rice all the time. Love this rice cooker. We've had this over 10 years. Today we're gonna do a demonstration. We're gonna actually cook some rice and show you guys how this rice cooker works. This rice cooker is easy to clean. This comes out, it cleans very easily. There's heating elements at the bottom, heating element on the side, heating elements at the top as well. This thing comes out and you can see the heating element here. Super easy to clean. Once you clean, everything just pops back in. Very high quality. You have some easy to read markings here or on this side as well, because you can do brown rice, sweet rice, all types of rice. Today we're gonna cook white rice and I'll show you how that works. So here's our rice. We're gonna cook with 3 cups today. So let me get 3 cups of rice, and using this included cup here, we'll fill it to the top, to the very top, right there. So here's 1 cup. Let's get 2 more cups just like that. Our 2nd cup right here. And this is our 3rd cup right there. So 3 cups here. We can take this out and we can rinse our rice. We're just gonna go ahead and rinse the rice. And we'll rinse it until it gets less cloudy. 3rd time here. You see the water is getting clearer. Now that our rice is washed out, let's go ahead and use filter water. And we're gonna filter our water and put it up to 3 because we had 3 cups of rice right there. Make sure that this is level. And it's very easy to read. You see right there, we're looking for the level 3 right there. It's so easy to be consistent because it works the same way all the time. So 3 cups of rice, level 3, just like that. I like to wipe down my bowl here, nice and dry before we put it into the rice cooker. And put it back into Zojirushi Neurologic Fuzzy Rice Cooker. Go ahead and close the lid. And we're ready to go. So I love how the cord is extractable. And it's very easy to retract. So this is about the cord's length right here. When we're done, we always just retract it, just a little tug right here, and it tucks away really nicely. That makes it so organized and easy to move around. So let's go ahead and plug this one in right now. So there's our white rice, and we'll go ahead and cook. There we go. So now this thing will automatically start cooking. Perfect. So we'll let that thing cook, and we'll come back to some perfected rice. By the way, guys, we have the nice rice spatula here. This one is a really nice rice spatula by the brand itself because it has this kind of texture that allows you to scoop rice and the rice doesn't stick to the spatula. And it has a nice place to put it right here. And don't forget we have the nice handle right here so you can move this around. But we'll let this sit for a while because it's cooking our rice. The rice that it cooks is perfect to perfection every time. Every grain is perfectly cooked and perfectly moist, and we love it. Very consistent rice. We'll be right back once this thing finishes cooking our perfect rice. Alright guys, so the rice cooker is now done. It's in keep warm. I love to keep warm because that allows it to stay nice and fresh, and it's always moist when I'm ready to eat it. This thing will stay keep warm, or you can do the extended keep warm. That'll last for a lot longer. And the rice will always be ready when you want to eat rice. The rice cooker is done. Let's open it up and ta-da, look at that. Nice, fresh rice, moist to perfection, and it's perfect every time. So there it is. Quick, instant, restaurant quality, like good restaurant quality rice in the comfort of your own home. Easy and precisely from Zojirushi rice cooker.